Let's also now get you the latest on exactly what's happening with regards to the rapid antibody testing kits that have been sent to India. Several inaccuracies came to the fore, and now the Indian Council of Medical Research has halted rapid antibody testing for 2 days after multiple inaccuracies were reported. According to the ICMR, a total of 8 teams have been constituted to check the complaints of high-level variation in testing report by several states. This includes Rajasthan. The ICMR has said that the rapid antibody testing kits will be tested and validated in the field by expert teams. Sources in the ICMR said that if problems are detected in batches, the nodal body will then seek a replacement from the companies. Remember, of 6.5 lakh kits, 5 lakh were only recently imported from China. While questions are being raised over the quality of Chinese medical equipment, sources familiar with this development from the Chinese embassy have said that the quality of test kits have been verified and there's no question of them being faulty.
India's effort to ramp up the coronavirus testing have suffered a major setback. Many of the imported rapid antibody testing kits are turning out to be duds. The Rajasthan government flagged off the faulty kits first and stopped all antibody tests.
डॉक्टर बनर्जी है मेडिसिन के हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट और डॉक्टर नित्या व्यास जी है जो माइक्रोबायोलॉजी की हेड है, उनके सुपरविजन में इसका कोरिलेशन देखा गया तो 90% होना चाहिए था, लेकिन ये 5.4% निकला और क्लिनिकल या प्रोसीजरल कोई कमी नहीं थी इसकी। हमने पूरी मॉनिटरिंग की है, तो हमने लिख के दिया, हमने रोक दिए ये टेस्ट।
So today we are having
The Indian Medical Council of Research admits there is a big variance in the results.
सारे स्टेट्स को ये सलाह देना है कि अगले 2 दिन ये टेस्ट किट्स इस्तेमाल न करें। 2 दिन के बाद में हम क्लियर कट एडवाइजरी देने के पोजीशन में रहेंगे, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे कुछ नजर आया कि वो बैचेस में प्रॉब्लम है तो हम वो बैच को रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए वो कंपनी को बोल सकेंगे।
The nodal body is asking its labs to conduct tests using the kits.
अगले 2 दिन में हम हमारे 8 इंस्टीट्यूट्स को फील्ड में भेजेंगे और जो किट्स हैं उनमें से वो लॉट्स लेके उसको टेस्ट करके वैलिडेशन करने की कोशिश करें। फील्ड में वैलिडेशन होगा, ये लैब में नहीं होगा।
In rapid testing, the blood samples are collected. It detects antibodies against coronavirus to confirm if a person has COVID or not. The result comes in just 30 minutes. There is no requirement for trained staff and it costs less than 1,500 rupees. India last week procured over 6 lakh rapid test kits from abroad, including 5 lakhs from China. They were distributed to states for use in districts with high infection rates. So far, Delhi, Punjab, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh have conducted rapid tests.
India was banking heavily on rapid antibody tests to ramp up testing across the country. But now, with some of the kits testing faulty, it is likely to set India's testing plans back. The inexpensive tests were seen as quick fixes to testing woes the world over, and states were looking forward to using them. They'll now hope that the ICMR is able to nail the problem within the next 2 days. With camera person Sanjay Chaudhary, Polamisa.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.